In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable thinking mode in Claude Code. If you've ever wanted your AI assistant to reason more deeply, take a bit more time to consider edge cases, or provide more thoughtful guidance on complex tasks, enabling extended thinking is the switch that unlocks that behavior. I'll walk you through exactly where it lives in the Claude Code app and how to turn it on, so you can get richer, more reliable outputs without hunting through menus. First, open the Claude Code app. From the main screen, choose the workspace that fits what you're doing right now. If you're having a general discussion, drafting, or exploring ideas, tap Chat. If you're working through a specific coding task or want a more guided flow, tap Co-work. Both options support the same change we're about to make, so pick whichever matches your session. Once you're in your chosen workspace, move your attention to the prompt area at the bottom of the screen where you type your message. Right beside the small microphone icon, you'll see the current AI model indicator. It usually appears as a label or a button showing the model name. This is the control we need. If you don't spot it immediately, hover your mouse or tap near the input field and look for the model name. It's typically just to the side of the mic icon, so it stays handy while you compose your prompt. Now, click or tap on that model indicator to open the model selection panel. Inside this panel, look for the option to turn on extended thinking. It may appear as a toggle, a mode switch, or a clearly labeled setting. Turn it on. When extended thinking is enabled, Claude will spend more deliberate time reasoning before it replies. That can mean more comprehensive code suggestions, clearer explanations, and better handling of multi-step problems. Keep in mind, responses may take a bit longer since the system is doing extra work under the hood, but the trade-off often pays off in quality. After you switch it on, you can close the panel and continue your conversation as usual. The change applies to the session you're in. That's all there is to it. Open Claude Code and choose Chat or Co-work. Find the model control beside the microphone icon in the prompt area. Then click it and enable extended thinking. With this setting on, you'll get deeper reasoning when it matters most. Thanks for watching and enjoy the improved results.